There is no easier way to pass your CPCs than go into my home channel, picking a membership. I'll send you the scenarios, the questions, the answers, all the Kahoots so you can practice in your own time, on your mobile phone or on your laptop. I'm Leon Clifton, this is ADR Training. The driver must reclaim his hours to reduce weekly rest period within within 3 weeks. A truck driver finishes work at 12:10. What's the maximum length of his or her shift? Five, 4, 3, 2, yes. As soon as you go past 12 o'clock, you're a night worker. Maximum shift of a night worker is 10 hours. What is the minimum reduced weekly rest period? What's the most you can reduce your weekly rest period to? What's a likely cause of tiredness? Which of these is typically not a sign of tiredness or fatigue? Daydreaming, erratic driving, forgetting parts of your journey are all parts of tiredness. All signs of tiredness. Who is responsible for enforcing tachograph regulations? The RSA. They don't have the right to stop your vehicle. That's why whenever you're stopped, they're always with a guarder.
I don't know what that is.
Statutory Instrument 348 of 2013.
I never fucking clue on that.
I've never heard that before.
Statutory Instrument is a piece of law. Of course you've never heard of it before. That's just there to wind you up. Statutory Instrument is a piece of law, and it's Statutory Instrument 348. So the piece of law is 348 of 2013. That's what says you must do a walk around. There's no need for more than one walk around within a 24-hour period. Okay, so if you want to be a smart ass, it's SI 348 of 2013. But luckily, you all managed to miss the correct answer. Well done. Regulations state you must download a driver tachograph card every 42, 37, or 28. Rather than every 28, it should say no later than 28, shouldn't it? Download it every day if you want. Robert arrived at what time? I'll give you 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, 8 a.m. What is the name of the driver in the CPC? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yeah.
Oh no, it's Robert.
Someone got it wrong. How are the items packed that Robert carried?
I can't remember.
Appropriate containers labelled fragile, handle with care.
Yeah.
Rope to poles, were they? They weren't palletised because I was giving out and saying you won't put them on the floor. Bags, they weren't in bags. So if you don't know what it is, just eliminate what it isn't.
Yeah.
What type of driving was Robert doing? Does tachograph unit allow for manual entries? When divided over a 17-week reference period, the average week may not exceed. There could be a 26 rolling or 2-week rolling, but generally speaking, when any reference period that you have, what's your average week?
56.
That's driving.
Driving. 60
Not
hours of
driving, talk
work.
about working. What is your average week?
Yeah. 60. Yeah.
60 is the most you can drive in a week. But when you
Yeah.
average it out, your average working week should not be more than 48 hours.
Yeah.
Analog, how often do you need to calibrate? Tachograph units are the units in the vehicles. That's all they are. You need a downloading device and the company card to unlock the tachograph unit. transport manager, the company and the driver. During a 9-hour shift, what is the maximum time spent driving on the road? You have to take a 45-minute break in between your 4.5 hours driving, don't you? You're splitting up driver's break into 2. What's the minimum time for your first break? What did Robert notice about his load? Broken strands. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. And like and subscribing to my channel helps other people like you find them.